Welcome to the future of the Internet. In this video, we'll explore Web 3.0 and how it's reshaping the world of web development as we know it. What is Web 3.0? It's the next generation of the Internet, a major leap from today's centralized platforms to decentralized, user-owned experiences. Web 3.0 is built on three key pillars: decentralization, blockchain technology, user empowerment. Let's break down some core features of Web 3.0. You've probably heard of blockchain, the tech behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But it's not just about money. Blockchain powers NFTs, smart contracts, and decentralized apps, or dApps. These tools shift control from corporations to you, the user, offering transparency, ownership, and security like never before. Now, how does this affect web development? Web 3.0 is bringing new languages, frameworks, and tools to the scene, like Solidity for smart contracts or frameworks like Hardhat and Web3.js. Developers are building decentralized games, DeFi platforms, and even healthcare solutions using this new tech. And the future? It's even more exciting. We're talking about the fusion of Web 3.0 with AI, machine learning, and the Internet of Things, creating smarter, more connected applications than ever before. The Internet is evolving. Are you ready? Now's the time for developers and innovators to dive in and build the future with Web 3.0. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech breakdowns.